In today's video guys, I'm gonna show you how to fix Facebook Messenger call ended. First thing, open the settings on your phone, go to the apps manager. When you open the apps manager on this page, you will find every single app that you have on your phone. So all what you wanna do is very simple. Just scroll down until you find the Facebook Messenger right here and click on it like this, and then click on force stop, and after that go into the storage right here, click on clear cache and clear data. After you finish that, go back again and click on the data usage here, disable the Wi-Fi option and then enable it back, and now go back to the settings on your phone, go to the wireless and networks, enable the airplane mode like this for 5 seconds, and after that disable it. After you disable it, now all what you want to do next is just restart your phone. And that's it guys, very easy and simple tutorial. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and thank you so much for watching this video.